Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a crocheted charger cover. It might be your phone, your iPad, your laptop. As you guys all know, we live in a highly technological world and therefore all of us have so many devices. So it makes it quite difficult to distinguish our chargers. Plus, I guess you guys have already seen, if you don't protect your chargers, this is what happens to our chargers. So the external cover can come out and it can cause electric shocks, which might be very dangerous for anybody. So I would recommend please protect your chargers. It's very important. So I'm going to be showing you some of the chargers which I have made. So here is an example of a crocheted cover for a phone charger which I made, I guess, 2 years back. Here is an example of a tablet or iPad charger, and again here is an example for the cover of a laptop charger. So as you guys can see, it is covering the entire charger, and it's very easy to make. You can even make it in one day, or to be more precise, 1 hour. But for laptop charger it will take you a little bit long. Depends on the length of the charger. Mine is a MacBook charger, so it took me I guess around two hours straight non-stop. But for phone charger it will hardly take you 1 hour, and it's very easy to make. So let's start. So let me go ahead and show you which materials are required to make a cover for your phone charger. First, you will need a charger. Here in this video I'm using a Samsung phone charger. Then you will need a size 5mm crochet hook, and here I'm using a yarn from Hobby Lobby and it's called the Crafter's Secret, and it's 100% acrylic, and as you guys can see it recommends 5.5mm crochet hook, but I'm going to be using a 5mm hook here. It's a size 4 worsted weight yarn. So yeah, let's start. Let me take out the cover and take out the end, the tail, not this side. I like to insert it inside so that I don't get confused with the original end. So that is my original end, and I'll keep it a little bit aside. And now I'll bring my charger into picture, and I like to start from the bottom of the charger. So here I'll go and make a slip knot. That's my slip knot. If you guys don't know how to make a slip knot, please go back and watch my crochet basics series. So it has all the basics required for crochet, and it has a video specifically for slip knot. So please go ahead and watch that if you don't know how to make it. And after that, bring your charger into picture, and we will start from here. We can start from here as well, just to cover everything. Yeah. So hold your charger straight like this, and now bring your hook to the bottom of the charger, and now yarn over and bring it to the top, and now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops on your hook. So that was my first single crochet. So this in this project I'm going to use only single crochets, and if you don't know how to make single crochet, please go back and watch my crochet basic series. So that's the most simple crochet stitch, and that's why I like to do it on my phone chargers. So I'll go ahead and make some more. So just bring your hook below your charger like this, and now yarn over and bring your yarn to the top of your charger like this, and now yarn over and pull through both the loops on your hook. That's my second single crochet. Now I'll go ahead and make some more. I'll take this off. And you can pull your work a little bit like this so that there are no gaps when you're making your charger cover. So yeah, please go ahead and finish it. I'm not going to finish it because this I just wanted to show you a swatch, and I have already finished charger for my phone. And so the next step which I like to do is cover the front part of my charger and the back part also sometimes with these kind of decorative tapes. So you can get these tapes anywhere in any stationery store. So I'll go ahead and show you how I do it. Also, I'd like to say this is an optional step. If you don't want to do it, you can totally skip it. I just like the way my charger looks, and I usually do a contrasting color. So if it is like teal or green, I would cover the end, front and the end part of my phone charger with a yellow decorative tape. But if you don't like it this way, you can totally skip this step. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So again, bring your charger and take out your decorative tape and then put it around your charger. So I'm taking it out and there I'll go ahead and use a scissor. I will not cover this portion because that's where my USB cable for my charger goes in, so I'll not cover that. And again, yeah, go ahead and cover the entire thing and the USB cover front part as well and the back as well. And at the end, your charger should look something like this. So yeah, I hope you really liked this video and you learned something new. So please go ahead and make it, and please comment below in the description box how you liked it. Was it easy for you or was it difficult? And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and happy crocheting. Bye bye.